Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. If you are new to my channel, please say hello and leave a comment below and tell me where you're from. I'm Gina Louise and I do lots of thrift flips, trash to treasure, and I do Pinterest. How did you make that? In today's video, I'm doing a look for less that I was so inspired by Yami from the Latina next door. If you don't know Yami, please go check out her channel. In my opinion, she is one of the most talented creators here on YouTube. I saw this roving wall hanging on the West Elm website, and I knew I could make this for less. They wanted $300 for it. So I decided I was going to make one, but I was going to do my own little spin on it. So I ran to Walmart to pick up roving wool because that's about the only thing I didn't have. They did not have it in white or cream when I got there. They only had this pinky mauve color. All you're going to need for this project is the handle from a Dollar Tree plunger, some floral wire, a dowel or a chopstick, and some twine. And of course your roving yarn. I saw these florals and they gave me an idea that I had to try, so I picked them up as well from Walmart. So now to start this project, we're going to cut strips of the roving yarn and we're going to loop them onto the dowel. My first cut was 40 inches and I put that in the center. So I just looped it around the handle of the plunger right in the center, and I made the next cuts all a little smaller, but it doesn't matter if you don't cut them perfectly because when it's done you're just going to trim it. The sides are going to be shorter and then it's going to gradually go longer until it gets in the center on both sides. You can make this wall hanging any length you want. You can make a short one if you want to put like in a baby's room, or you can make a dramatic one that goes from the ceiling to the floor. I mean, it's endless with what you can actually do with this, and also the way you embellish it as well. So you can just do this to your taste. You can make it decor glam, or you can make it farmhouse or shabby chic, but it's a simple, easy project that you can do and put your own spin on it. This yarn looks so lavender with my lighting, but it's actually more pink than lavender. Now just take a piece of cardboard or a box to give you a guide so that you could just cut this to a point so it's shorter on the sides and it gets longer in the center. And then you just do the same thing on the other side. Now this is the tricky part. This is where you're going to take that gold floral wire that you got from Dollar Tree. It's really easy to work with because it's very easy to bend. But this is a little bit tricky. You're going to put a dowel in the middle of the two pieces so that you can take the floral wire and wrap it around. It makes it much easier to do it. The only thing that I'm thinking is I probably should have did this after I put on each piece of yarn rather than waited till the end because the stuff gets all over you after a while. So anyway, if you could see what I'm doing there, I'm just wrapping it around the dowel. I'm just using that as a guide to help form a circle around there. And then when you get it wrapped around 3 times, you're going to just cut it with your wire cutters or your jewelry nippers, and you're going to just pull the dowel out so that you just have a gold ring around it. And you're going to do that on every single one of these in doubles, of course, and you're going to make them gradually go up. They're not going to be even all the way across. They're going to go up and make like a chevron design. a V shape. And you'll see what I mean at the end. I found it to be much easier if I started off with like a little hook, like a little loop there, because this way it was easier to just hook the yarn and the dowel together. There you can see I did a little more than half of it. I only have 3 more to do. And then I'm going to add the twine to the top of it for a hanger so I can hang it on the wall. And I'm going to embellish it with those beautiful flowers I showed you in the beginning of the video. I can't remember what they're called. It just slipped my mind. Does anybody remember? Does anybody know the name of those flowers I showed in the beginning of the video? Anyway, I'm going to embellish it with those flowers because I just love the way they look. And I'm going to add some beautiful lamb's ear as well. Now that I finished putting the gold wire on all of them, I'm going to take my scissors and just trim all the little fuzzies, and I'm going to make it a little more uniform, make it a little more even, so that it's the same length on both sides. Well, graduating the same on both sides. And then I'm just going to add my twine so I could hang it. And then I decided to put my spin on it by embellishing it. So here are the flowers I'm going to embellish it with, and here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and help it grow. Also, you can share this video. Let me know if you like this project, and let me know if you think you're going to try this project. And you can leave that answer in the comment below. Thanks for watching.